Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use the Odoo system, so let's get right into it. Now, to use the system, you can either install it on your server on Windows or Linux, or you can use the online version as I am using right now, and it really doesn't matter. The functionalities are relatively simple or relatively similar, and you can also access the server through the local host, which is pretty much just this that you see on my screen right now. This is the online version, but the functionalities are pretty much the same. And yeah, you can use anything you want. Now, what you are going to use in Odoo is things called modules, and you have modules which you can use for several different purposes. For example, you have point of sale, which is used to manage your products and to manage your point of sale, payment methods, etc., to set up shop so that you can sell your products online. Inventory is used for tracking material goods. Accounting is used for, well, accounting. You can use manufacturing if you're manufacturing your own products. You can use payroll and employees to, well, organize your company structure if you're using Odoo for business purposes. And you can use website if you want to create a website to, well, make an online store, for example, or for pretty much any other reason. You can use any other module that you can find for any reason it is, or for any purpose it's specified for. For example, you can use sales for sales analytics and everything like that. And pretty much all you need to do is just figure out which one of these you need and use them as they are intended. You can find them over here in apps, and you can search through all the modules that you can possibly want. And there are even other paid for modules which are community made or made by other developers or companies, which can help you if you're a business to have more functionalities which will fit you best. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.